She was arrested early Saturday after a woman told police Mueller attacked her at a bar. She's since being released on bond and will be back in court later this month. Police officials say additional details will be available, and Mueller's attorney, well, didn't have any comment on the case. A different take on the Harry Potter franchise is making its way to Canada. The American version of the series will hit the Toronto stage in February. The UK hit is called Potted Potter, the unauthorized Harry experience. It's billed as a Monty Python-esque take on the famous book that attempts to condense all 7 books into just 70 minutes. The show is written and performed by 2 former children's hosts at the BBC and has sold out theaters across the UK, Australia, and New Zealand. It will begin its 2-week run at Panasonic Theatre on February 15th. Well, Netflix is promising a big upcoming year for its Canadian customers. In a letter to shareholders, the company revealed its plans to give Canadians access to more